The Exployer glove for men and women is a unique combination of goat leather, 330 denier Cordura, and nylon fabrics. You'll enjoy its waterproof breathability using the Hipora membrane and Thinsulate 40-gram insulation for warmth on the back. The palm side utilizes 2-ounce fiber fill for additional warmth, and a Bermberg cool liner is installed for your comfort. A one-handed elastic cord closure along with an adjustable wrist strap make for a custom fit. Reflective piping keeps you visible at night, and box construction with tapered fingers keeps you comfortable. A 2-year limited warranty protects your investment.